Hello, high heels and fashion lovers, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everything is good on your side. I'm doing good as well. And today, guys, today it's going to be about again, get dressed with me, but I'm going to show you two different blue monochromatic looks. I'm really obsessed with monochromatic, with everything blue. Maybe just a different textures, different type of clothing, but everything in blue. And I'm going to show you two different looks and with two different vibes. Let's say they are similar because my style is, I can say, similar, but still they are different, and I would expect from you to let me know which of those looks is your favorite and why. I'm going to change the shoes as well, so let's just vote which of the looks is better. And I'm getting dressed to go outside, have a drink, or maybe two with friends, and you can just give me a hand. You can be helpful in this situation so I can decide what I should actually wear. So guys, that's the plan. Let's get started with the first look, and after that the second one, and at the end I will just show up again to say a few more things. Enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Elena Constantine, and I make videos all about fashion and elegant footwear. Today we are doing a GRWM, or Get Ready With Me, with a theme I'm obsessed with right now, monochromatic, specifically monochromatic blue. I've got two outfit options, both super feminine, polished and perfect for this season, so let's get ready together. Let's start with the first option. I'm starting with a pair of standard skin color hosiery, simple, clean and always flattering. I'm building this look around a blue tweed set, mini skirt and a blazer. Tweed always gives that classic structured vibe, but in blue it feels fresh and modern. Underneath I'm adding a blue turtleneck blouse. Keeping it monochrome makes the outfit look expensive and intentional. And for footwear, you know this channel is about the shoes. I'm wearing my beige Jimmy Choo pumps. They're neutral, elegant, and they let the blue stay in the spotlight. To finish it off, I almost forget, I'm adding a white handbag for a crisp contrast. Very polished, very Paris meets modern city. I would wear this to lunch, meetings, or anywhere I want to look put together. Okay, let's move to the second monochromatic blue option. We are starting again with the standard skin color hosiery, keeping the legs seamless and smooth. The outfit is a knit set with a mini skirt and a crop jacket. I love knit cohorts because they're comfortable, but the matching texture gives that instant sophistication. For shoes, I'm going with something special. The white Plexi heels by Gianvito Rossi. Clear paneling, pointed toe, and that perfect balance of modern and minimal. And I'm pairing it with the same white handbag because white with blue is chic every single time. This outfit feels softer and more casual chic, still monochrome, still elegant, but a little more playful than the tweed. So those are today's two monochromatic blue looks. Let's break it down really quickly. For the first look, tweed set, blue turtleneck, skin color hosiery, beige Jimmy Choo, white bag, very classic and structured. Look number 2, knit mini plus cropped jacket, skinny color hosiery, white Gianvito Rossi Plexi heels, white bag, modern and clean. I want to hear from you. Which blue outfit would you wear? Team tweed or team knit? If you love fashion and elegant footwear, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for getting ready with me today. See you next time.
So guys, this was all for today. I hope that you were enjoying this video. I hope that you like my looks. Yeah, as I said, they're similar but still different, and I also can't say which of those is my favorite. Looks like I didn't like blue, but I like it more and more, and I get used to wearing blue, even though it is a color that matches me. So yes, yeah, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know which of the looks is your favorite. Give me some compliments, say something nice, give me some suggestions, whatever you want, just provide some feedback, and this is how you are supporting my channel. Don't skip the advertisement as usual, and come to my Instagrams, Elena Constantine, and let's be friends. So guys, yeah, this was all for today. Not that much talking, but more action, more showing, and I hope that it was fun for you as it was for me, and we are going to see each other very soon with something similar or maybe something different. So yeah, give me suggestions, and I hope that yeah, we can make something more interesting and better together. Till the next time, I love you guys, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm, and we see each other soon. Bye.